Hey guys, my version of pork menudo. Here are the ingredients. Sausages, 1/4 pork liver, 1 kilo of pork shoulder, 1 cup potato, 1 cup mixed bell pepper, and 1 cup carrot, pork cube, onion, garlic, pepper, soy sauce, 1 can liver spread, tomato sauce, and oyster sauce. First step, marinate your pork with ground pepper and soy sauce for 10 minutes. In a medium pan, put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put on the garlic, saute until it's golden brown. Add the onion, cook over a few minutes, stirring gently until flavors have absorbed and the onions are golden. Now add on the marinated pork. And mix for 10 minutes. Add on our liver. And mix. Add fish sauce to taste. Mix and continue to cook in a medium heat. Add on 3 cups of water. 2 cups, and the 3rd cup of water. Cover and bring to boil. Add the pork cube to enrich the flavor. Now we can add on the tomato sauce. Add on the oyster sauce. Ground pepper. Simmer for 5 minutes, and after that we can add on the potato and carrots. We can add the bell pepper after 3 minutes. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Add the sausage. And also the liver spread. Cook for another 5 minutes. Now, the menudo is ready to be served. This is a popular Filipino pork dish and is usually served during gathering. Enjoy guys! I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye!